We have to find the equation of the lines, cutoff intercepts on the axes, and the sum of intercepts equals to 1 and product of intercept equal to -6. As the product of intercepts equals to -6, hence there are two possibilities. One possibility is that the intercept on the positive axis and the intercept on the negative y-axis. Hence the product will come out -6. This one is the positive, this one is the negative. The product of these two will come out negative. Another possibility is that the intercept will be on the positive y-axis and the intercept on the negative x-axis. The product can come out -6, right? Hence there are two lines which are possible in this case. Let the intercept on the axes are represented by A and B, and the sum of intercept equals to 1 and the product of intercept equals to -6. To get the value of A and B, there will be two different approach. One approach is that suppose there is a quadratic equation whose roots are A and B. Hence the sum of roots equals to 1 and the product of roots equals to -6, right? Accordingly, we can prepare the quadratic equation, and the quadratic equation will come out x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots, right? Now place the value of A plus B equals to 1 and A into B equal to -6. Then you can get the quadratic equation. This one is the quadratic equation which have the roots A and B, right? After solving this equation, you can get the value of the root of the equation which will represent the intercept on the x-axis and y-axis, right? Now factorize this quadratic equation. You can get the value of x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. After solving, you can get the value of x equal to 3 and -2. Hence the roots of this equation will be 3 and -2. That means we can say that the intercept on the x-axis and y-axis will be 3 and -2, right? Now in this situation, we can take the intercept on the x-axis equals to 3 and the intercept on the y-axis equal to -2. In this case, we can take the intercept on the y-axis equal to 3 and the intercept on the x-axis equal to -2. Accordingly, we can get two equations. Now in the first case, we can take the intercept on the x-axis equals to 3 and the intercept on the y-axis equals to -2, and hence we can get the equation x by 3 plus y by -2 equal to 1. This one is the equation of the straight line in the intercept form, right? That means from the equation x by a plus y by b equal to 1, we can write down this one, right? After solving this equation, you can get 2x minus 3y equals to 6. Now the next case. In the next case, the intercept on the y-axis will be taken as 3 unit and the intercept on the x-axis will be taken as -2 unit. From the equation x by a plus y by b equal to 1, we can get this equation, right? Now solve this equation. After solving, you will get -3x plus 2y equal to 6. Hence, two different equations for which the sum of intercept will be 1 unit and the product of intercept will be equal to -6, right? Now we can solve this equation by another approach. In this approach, let's say this one is the line which will have the intercept on the positive y-axis and the negative x-axis. Let the intercept on the x-axis and y-axis are a and b. Thus a plus b equals to 1 and ab equal to -6. We can get the value of a and b in some other way. First of all, get the value of a minus b such that we can get the value of a and b from a plus b and a minus b. Now I am going to find the value of a minus b. Using this identity, we can get the value of a minus b. That means a minus b whole square will be equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. After putting the value of a plus b equals to 1 and a into b equals to -6, we can get the value of 25, and hence a minus b whole square will come out 25 and a minus b will be equal to plus minus 5. Now we have a plus b equals to 1 and a minus b equal to plus minus 5. Now we can solve this equation. In the first case, we can take the value of a plus b equals to 1 and a minus b equals to 5. In this case, a plus b equals to 1, a minus b equals to 5. After solving these two equations, you can get the value of a equal to 3 and b equal to minus 2, right? That means this is the line which will have the intercept on the positive x-axis equals to 3 unit and the negative y-axis equals to 2 unit, right? So this one is the line which has the intercept on the x-axis equal to 3 unit and the intercept on the negative y-axis equals to 2 unit, right? From the equation of the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1, we can write down the equation of this line x by 3 plus y by minus 2 equal to 1. After solving this equation, we can get the equation of the line 2x minus 3y equal to 6, right? Now in the second case, a plus b equals to 1 and a minus b will be equal to minus 5. Solve this equation to get the value of a and b. In this case, the intercept will come out minus 2 and 3. In this case, the intercept on the negative x-axis equals to 2 unit and the positive y-axis equals to 3 unit, right? This one is the line which will represent this case. The equation will be written as x by minus 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1. By solving this equation, we can get 2y minus 3x equals to 6, right?